what are you doing, honey?
Yes, I will tell you about that like I tell you last time.
Yeah?
I need to put more soil up for the potatoes because
Mm-hmm.
it's raining so much.
Yeah?
So the rain takes the soil away from the plant.
Mm-hmm.
And now I will do that again.
Yeah, with the soil.
Yeah, because we don't want the green like I told you.
Uh-huh. No. So now you're going to start. Look at guys, yun ang sinasabi niya. Iano niya yung soil papunta sa patatas para magiging, so it will be remain green, honey, right? Yeah. Inaano-ano niya yung lupa. Ayan, no? Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Kung sa atin, anong tawag ba niyan? Sa amin. Ayan, tingnan nyo ang aking mahal na asawa. Kasi maganda ang weather dito today. Kaya ayan.